A family like no other. Can you imagine a family where nothing is normal? They are the Addams family, and they can make you laugh until you cry. Gomez Addams is the head of the family. He is a billionaire. He has got short black hair and a moustache. He can dance the tango and he can juggle well. But his favorite hobby is playing with his toy trains. Morticia Addams is Gomez's wife. She is tall and thin with very long black hair. She is clever and can speak French. Her favorite hobbies are playing music and gardening. Gomez and Morticia have got 2 children. This is their daughter, Wednesday Addams. Wednesday is very serious. Her favorite hobbies are reading and playing with her brother. Wednesday has got a favorite toy, her doll, Marie Antoinette. Pugsley Addams is Wednesday's brother. He is short, plump, and very naughty. Playing games with his sister is his favorite hobby. This is Fester Addams. He is Gomez's brother. He is Wednesday's and Pugsley's uncle. He is tall and plump, and he hasn't got any hair on his head. He is very friendly and funny. His favorite hobby is making toys for his niece and nephew. What is your family like? What hobbies have they got?